The stretching I learned in martial arts wasn't working, so I spent $20,000 to work with 3 flexibility experts to learn modern methods. And they promoted the same 3 flexibility training principles. Number 1 is to understand what flexibility gains actually mean. Number 2, develop strength through range. And number 3, use modern stretching methods. The notion that muscles get longer when you increase flexibility isn't actually true in reality. Instead, elements within the muscles change their conformation. To make sense of this requires a little understanding of basic muscle physiology. There are 2 major nervous systems, security mechanisms, involved in the process of flexibility development that you really need to understand. Each includes neurons that communicate with muscles, and the muscles communicating back to your nervous system to protect you in these 2 ways. Number 1 is to ensure your limbs don't stretch too far and cause an injury. And number 2, ensure you don't lift too much weight and cause an injury. Now, most protocols will help your flexibility over a duration of weeks and months. But the second security mechanism of making sure that you don't overload muscles with excessive weight can be hacked to increase your flexibility within a few seconds. We do that by using a method called end range antagonist muscle contractions, aka end range strength. So instead of thinking about flexibility as something that makes your muscles longer, think of it as the several processes that occur within the muscle body. And the best way to trigger those adaptations is to develop strength through range. Now I'm going to explain in detail what that means in lesson 2. So if you just click that video link, I'll see you in that next lesson.